Check the engine position of the vehicle's transmission system alarm. Check the engine alarm for 17 and 18. Check the manual to basically confirm that there is an automatic circuit failure. So the customer took the drive apart and sent it to us for repair. The x-axis and z-axis of this machine bed are broken at the same time. The failure is also an automatic circuit problem. This is also one of the problems with high-frequency drive failure. Most of them are the failure of the automatic resistance and the automatic test circuit that I have talked about the process of disassembly and the usual test measurement in my previous videos. Let's not waste everyone's time here. Let's look at the problem directly. The two red lines on the P and B1 video are the brake resistance lines. Here we measure the resistance using a universal meter. You can see that the resistance is open now. The probability is slightly broken. We take the line off with a computer iron. Confirm again with a universal meter. After confirming the resistance damage, we take the resistance off. Repairing is not simply changing a resistance. The next step is to inspect and repair the automatic circuit. Generally, the resistance is broken after controlling the circuit failure. In order to make it easier for everyone to understand the automatic circuit, I found two pictures here to explain to everyone that I use the most common language. Because I don't usually know how to read, I don't know how to read that I don't use professional language. To make it easier for everyone to understand, let's look at the first picture. This is a circuit diagram of the drive. The left is a three-phase current. The function is to turn the AC into DC. Then it's the charging resistor. Its function is to charge the current in the capacitor. After charging, the accumulator will suck and disconnect the charging resistor. This is the filter circuit. Its function is to make the DC smooth, that it's like a water tank. It stores the turbulent water flow. Then it releases it smoothly and steadily. This is the automatic circuit, that is when the motor needs to stop quickly. The resistor here is like a brake. It quickly consumes energy and stops the motor. The last one is the reverse circuit. Its function is to keep controlling the switch to turn it off and on. Turn DC into the AC we want. In order to achieve control over the motor, I'll also introduce the automatic resistance control circuit. The top is the motor line. Voltage. The principle is to use the resistance to split the voltage. The final voltage divided by the resistance reflects the change in the motor line voltage. Then it's the voltage and the circuit. Its function is to compare the voltage and the circuit's voltage. For example, when the motor line voltage is 320 volts, the resistance is 5 volts. Now, I've adjusted the voltage of the circuit to 5 volts. When the voltage is greater than 5 volts, the circuit says you're bigger than me. I'm going to turn on the automatic resistance. This is its function. The bottom is the brake automatic switch circuit. After the circuit has been compared, it turns on the switch. The switch triggers the light bulb. The light bulb turns on the brake. The IGBT connects to the brake resistance to complete the braking. Okay, now you know more about the motor. After the repair, we'll run the motor. We'll test it later. Because it doesn't work with the circuit empty. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your trust and support. I hope the video we share can also bring you something. You can leave a comment if you want to know more. We'll do our best. See you next time.